Ever wondered how Navy personnel maintain such perfect teeth under extreme conditions? Listen up. If you're sick and tired of bleeding gums, that embarrassing bad breath you can't scrub away, or just the constant worry about your teeth falling apart and costing you a fortune, then pay attention. Because what I'm about to tell you goes against everything your dentist has probably ever told you. You've tried the fancy toothpastes, the mouthwashes that burn, the endless brushing, the flossing until your gums ache. And where has it gotten you? Still dealing with the same problems, aren't you? Still worried about that next painful cleaning or worse? The standard advice? It's focused only on the surface. It treats the symptom maybe, but it completely ignores the real reason your oral health is crumbling. It's designed to keep you on the treadmill, paying for temporary fixes. What if I told you the real cause of your gum bleeding, bad breath, and tooth issues isn't just what's happening on the enamel or gum line? What if it's connected to something happening inside your body, something fundamental that affects all your tissues? Think about highly disciplined organizations, places where physical performance is paramount, like the Navy. Operating under extreme conditions, they understand body mechanics at a level most doctors don't even consider for common issues. They understand the critical role of proper oxygen flow throughout your entire system, and how blockages or issues starting way up in your airways can actually starve distant tissues. Tissues like your gums and the support structures for your teeth. When your gums and tooth tissues aren't getting the pure, oxygen-rich blood they need, they become weak, inflamed, a perfect breeding ground for the wrong kind of bacteria. And guess what? That bacteria doesn't just stay put. It can travel, impacting your breath and causing damage below the surface. The hack isn't some crazy drill or expensive procedure. It's about addressing this internal problem. It's about supporting healthy oxygenation and helping your body naturally clear those pathways so your mouth tissues can finally get the support they need to be strong and healthy. It's a principle based on foundational biology, understood where peak performance is the only option. And figuring out how to apply this principle easily in your daily life? That's the real trick. Look, you can keep brushing harder, keep spending a fortune, and keep crossing your fingers. Or you can see the exact simple method, the Navy tooth repair hack, that finally addresses the real internal cause of these problems. I've put a direct link in the description right below this video. When you click that link, you'll go to a page that explains this simple hack in full detail. The specific, natural way to support your body's oxygen flow and clear those pathways, just like this method suggests. You'll see exactly how it works and how incredibly easy it is to start using today. Stop masking the problem, stop the bleeding gums, the bad breath, the constant worry. Address the real cause with this overlooked method, so stop wasting time. Click the link in the description below this video right now. Go see the Navy tooth repair hack for yourself and find out how simple it is to finally take control of your oral health. Link is in the description. Go now.